Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be taking a look on this Redmi Note 5 Pro. It's a 464 GB variant. We'll do the unboxing and give you my thoughts about the device as I'm using this device from last couple of days. So let's not further ado and start the video. But before that, do hit the subscribe button if you haven't already to become the part of Skysoft Tech Squad. Let's get started. So the box reminds me of somewhat the box of Redmi Note 3, where you have the pictures of the device at the front and the Note 5 Pro branding on either sides. Opening the box and you can see the silicone case which is perfect fit for the device. Below that we have some paperwork or guide. After that we have the device itself. Keeping that aside, and the last thing in the box are wall charger and USB cable. Now the charger is a normal 5V 2A charger and it's coupled with micro USB to USB cable. Now talking about the device, we have 20 megapixel front camera, earpiece, some sensor and front flash, followed by massive 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display with no capacitive button this time. At the back we have Mi logo at the bottom. Above that we have fingerprint sensor, we have the camera over the right and the antenna lines for signal receptions. Over the right side of the device you can see the power and volume buttons with a tactile in nature. At the left side, you have a SIM tray, which is a hybrid solution. And at the bottom, you can find headphone jack, USB port, main speaker, and primary microphone. And over the top, we have the IR blaster and secondary microphone. Now the spec sheet of the device is also quite impressive. We have two memory options, 4 or 6 GB. Both comes with 64 GB of inbuilt storage. For the horsepower, we have Snapdragon 636 with Adreno 509 GPU. Xiaomi didn't skip anything in this device. We still have headphone jack, IR blaster, dual camera, front flash and lots of other stuffs. So thumbs up Xiaomi for such a value for money device. The performance of the device is snappy, apps load in no time, there is no lag or whatsoever. It's still running on Nougat but Oreo is around the corner. Apps load time is minimum and multitasking on the device is charm. And there is no hitting issue with the device as well. There is no lag while surfing net, the page scrolled without any jitter or lag. The overall performance of the device is good, initial impressions are good about the device. The device is comfortable to hold in hand, although it's having massive display because of smaller footprints, it's comfortable for one hand usage also. Now the display of the device is quite impressive. Viewing angles are good, sharpness of the picture is good, and because of 18:9 aspect ratio, the media consumption on this device is a pleasure. For security things, we have fingerprint sensor and face unlock. The fingerprint is present at the right position as you would expect it to be. And as we have seen in past, the sensor on the Redmi 5 Pro is fast, accurate and very responsive all the time. Another feature of security is facial unlock. It's also works absolutely fine. It unlocks the phone most of the time but tends to struggle in low light. The speaker on the other hand of Note 5 Pro is loud and clear.
Up to love, I can never tell.
Now the most important part, the camera. The main camera is 12 megapixel with f2.2 aperture and the second camera is 5 megapixel depth sensor. The camera takes some serious picture in outdoor light condition. There are good amount of details. The macro shots are also clear and color look accurate and sharp. Also the sample shot turn out to be very impressive. The color reproduction are also good. Details in the picture is very clear and overall stabilization of the image is also pretty impressive. Overall a great set of back cameras. Now talking about the low light performance of the camera is impressive. It takes some good pictures in low light. Flash is bright enough to give camera ample amount of brightness to take pictures in low light also. The bokeh effect is also quite impressive with great edge detection capabilities. The front camera is 20 megapixel which takes some serious picture and bokeh effect in front is also well executed with perfect edge detection. The overall performance and color accuracy is also very good in front camera also. Now the most impressive thing about the camera is its electronic image stabilization and Xiaomi has implemented it very well. There is no shakiness in video which is really impressive considering it only has EIS. So that much for this video guys. I hope you liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe. There is also a video going to come about the in-depth review of this device. So stay tuned for that. For now, I'm signing out.